how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance in the cheapest way possible. In today's video, I'll walk you step by step through the process of transferring USDT from your OKX exchange to your Binance exchange account. Not just that, we'll also explore which network charges the lowest fee for this transaction. Super simple. Let's get started. Step 1. Open OKX app. First, open your OKX app on your mobile device. Now go to Assets and tap on it, then tap the Withdraw button. After that, select Crypto Withdrawal. Now from the list, choose USDT. Make sure to select On-Chain Withdrawal, not Internal. Now choose the cheapest network. First, let's compare the network fees. TRC20 charges 2.5 USDT. ERC 20 charges at hefty 3.82 USDT. But look at this. Using the Tollin network, the fee is just 0.15 USDT. Massive savings, right? So we'll go ahead and select TON as our withdrawal network. In step 3, get Binance deposit address. Now open your Binance app on your phone. Head over to your wallets and then tap on Spot Wallet. Click on Deposit, then search for USDT and select it. Next, choose the TON network for the deposit. Important. Note, Binance mentions that a memo ID is required for TON deposits. Without it, your funds might not arrive. So let's proceed carefully. First, copy your USDT deposit address from Binance. Then go back to your OKX app and paste the address there. Now copy the memo ID from Binance and paste it into the comments section in OKX. And then enter amount and confirm. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Once done, hit the Submit button. Now, a quick security step. Check the box, tap Continue, and then hit Confirm. You'll now be asked to verify using your email code and Google Authenticator. So go to your email, copy the code, and paste it here. Then get your code from the Google Authenticator app and paste that too. Once both are entered, tap Confirm. Your withdrawal request is now submitted. You can check the withdrawal history to see its status. At last, wait for confirmation. Right now, it'll show as pending. Give it around 30 to 40 seconds and it'll move to in progress. As you can see, the request is now being processed. After about a minute, go back to Binance and refresh the wallet page. Boom. Your 15.61 USDT has been successfully received. It takes roughly a minute for the entire process. You just need to remember, always ensure the network you select on both exchanges is the same, in our case, TON. This way, you'll save big on fees and avoid transfer errors. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.